This one AI coin is up 500% in just 2 months. Sam Bankman-Fried has been sentenced, and this meme coin has just surpassed Pepe. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
FET, the native cryptocurrency of the popular decentralized artificial intelligence platform Fetch AI, has been on a mega bull run, hitting an all-time high of $3.37 earlier today. The beginning of the FET price rally dates back to early February 2024, when it was trading at a meager 50 cents. However, amid a major boost in the artificial intelligence market, AI tokens, including Fetch AI, triggered a major rally, giving a staggering 500% return in the last 2 months. The growth in the token is supported by substantial buying volume, as evidenced by the on-balance volume or OBV indicator. Although there was a slight decline in OBV over the last 2 weeks, the overall buying momentum remained strong, with the Relative Strength Index or RSI consistently above 50, indicating a sustained uptrend. Traders can utilize Fibonacci retracement levels calculated from the Fetch AI rally between February and March to identify critical points. The token demonstrated resilience by halting its pullback at $2.15, surpassing the 50% retracement level at $1.81, which reflects investors' strong confidence in the ongoing uptrend. The extension levels at $4.74 and $5.74 present potential profit-taking opportunities that investors may currently be considering. Over the last week, the trading volume of the coin has surged by 59%. Fetch AI currently holds the 42nd position in terms of market cap, valued at $3.51 billion. While the broader cryptocurrency market has been relatively flat, meme coins have been on a tear, with Dog-With-Hat leading the pack. The most popular Solana meme coin reached a new all-time high earlier today. Dog-With-Hat is a relatively new meme coin launched on the Solana ecosystem in November of last year. Despite being a newcomer, it has made a name for itself in the highly competitive meme coin space. This marks Dog-With-Hat's best daily performance since its launch. It also recently flipped a relative veteran meme coin Pepe, rising to the 38th position in the top 100 as Pepe settled in at 43rd place with respective market caps of $3.8 billion to $3.37 billion. Dogecoin also surged to its highest since December 2021 on Thursday amid a bullish sentiment and speculation about the use of the dog-themed meme coin on social media platform X. Doge was trading at 22 cents in European afternoon hours, a 17% gain over the 24 hours. The broader market was little changed, with Bitcoin holding around $70,000. The token tends to react to any payment-related developments at any Elon Musk-owned company, such as X or Tesla, and several social media posts from prominent Dogecoin community members speculated about the token's usage on X. Dogecoin developer Misha Bor said in an X post on Thursday, "Dear Dogecoin, with X's new payment branch being awarded more licenses in the US, many are speculating about the implementation of crypto payments in the platform." Last year, Elon mentioned that the first phase of X payments would not include crypto. I'm not sure if this has changed now. CoinGecko data shows that trading volume for Doge shot up $7 billion in the past 24 hours from an average of $3 billion earlier in the week, even as broader crypto volumes remain lower amid little volatility. Elsewhere, futures tracking the token saw open interest rise nearly $2 billion across crypto exchanges from $1 billion on Monday, indicative of rising bets on price volatility. Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matthew Hogan said institutional investors would likely inject as much as $1 trillion into Bitcoin through ETFs as they slowly move into crypto. In a memo sent to investment professionals, Hogan addressed concerns over Bitcoin's price volatility. As the asset bounces between $60,000 and $70,000, the executive said the best approach will be to keep calm and take the long view. While the price seems unstable in the short term, Hogan noted many key events to look forward to in the coming months and years. These include the Bitcoin halving and the spot Bitcoin ETFs getting approved on national account platforms like Morgan Stanley or Wells Fargo. Furthermore, the executive highlighted that the space has to wait for investment committees and consultants still conducting their formal due diligence on Bitcoin. This is a necessary step they have to take before investing in the asset. Hogan said that while the space waits for these key events, the Bitcoin price would likely chop sideways whenever there are small changes in sentiment. However, the investment officer believes things will be different long-term. Hogan wrote, "Long-term, we believe Bitcoin is in a raging bull market. Not only is it up nearly 300% in the last 15 months, but there's strong reasons to think that it'll continue." He also believes that investment professionals who control trillions of dollars are just starting to move into crypto. He highlighted that onboarding more professional investors would take years, not months. The executive also said that the $12 billion flowing into ETFs since their launch is exciting, and this is the most successful ETF launch of all time. He said a 1% allocation across the board would mean $1 trillion of inflows into the space. Against this, the $12 billion already put in is barely a down payment. Following his conviction in November, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has officially been sentenced to 25 years in prison on Thursday. The former cryptocurrency CEO was found guilty of 7 counts of fraud for the downfall of the digital asset exchange he founded. At one point, both Bankman-Fried and FTX were pillars of the cryptocurrency industry. However, today's news marks the final ruling of his downfall that began with his first arrest in the Bahamas in December of 2022. The sentencing hearing was held in Manhattan, with Judge Lewis Kaplan continuing to preside over the case. The collapse of FTX will likely remain one of the biggest controversies in the history of the digital asset sector. Moreover, the criminal activity of the company represented some of the largest financial crimes in the history of the United States. Now, more than 450 days after being apprehended, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been sentenced to 25 years in prison. The prosecution had requested Bankman-Fried serve 40 to 50 years in prison. Alternatively, Sam Bankman-Fried's legal counsel requested a prison sentence for the 32-year-old former executive that ranged between 64 and 78 months. Bankman-Fried was convicted of a jury on all 7 counts of fraud in 2023. Specifically, those charges include his thievery of customer assets when running the cryptocurrency exchange and his deceit with the firm's investors and creditors. Altogether, Bankman-Fried was responsible for around $8 billion in customer assets being stolen.